Alright, so for the first cocktail we're gonna need sparkling rosé, Malibu Mango, pink lemonade, and some pomegranate seeds for garnish. We're gonna start by rimming a champagne glass with pink sugar. In a bowl we're gonna add some simple syrup. We're gonna add some pink sugar on a plate. We're gonna dip our glass into the simple syrup. We're gonna coat it with pink sugar. We're gonna add 1 ounce of Malibu Mango. Two ounces of pink lemonade. And we're just gonna top it out with sparkling rosé. And finally, we're just gonna add some pomegranate seeds as a garnish. Alright, for our next cocktail, we're gonna need Tequila Silver. I'm using Patron for this cocktail, grapefruit soda, and some blue curacao. Alright, we're gonna start by rimming a glass with blue sugar this time. We're gonna dip our glass into simple syrup. We're gonna start by adding ice in the glass. Two ounces of tequila. Three-quarters of an ounce of blue curacao. And finally, we're just gonna top it off with grapefruit soda. I'm gonna garnish this cocktail with a lime wheel. Alright, before we jump into the last cocktail, if you guys want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And if you guys like the shirts that I'm wearing for today's videos, I'm gonna leave links in the description so you can get them, as well as the recipes, and also links for all the equipment that I use to make this video possible. Alright, without further ado, let's jump right into the last cocktail. Alright, so for the last cocktail, we're gonna need rum, blue curacao, regular lemonade, coconut cream, pink lemonade, and some frozen strawberries. This time we're gonna use pink and blue sugar. We're gonna start by adding ice into a blender. Half ounce of Bacardi. Three-quarters of an ounce of blue curacao. Half ounce of coconut cream. And 1 ounce of lemonade. We're gonna blend this. All right, I reached the blender. Now I'm gonna add the ice. I'm gonna add frozen strawberries, 1 ounce of rum, half ounce of coconut cream, and finally 2 ounces of pink lemonade. Alright, we're gonna blend this. Now I'm just gonna layer this. If you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. If you want to learn how to make more cocktail like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. And I hope I give you an idea. And as always, until the next one, cheers.